Hey YouTube, Doug here from Besse Custom Fab. Making handrails today, so stick around. Today we have a couple special guests in the shop. On my left is Cooper. On my right is Rosie. Hi, ladies. They seem really well behaved, but I'll tell you why they're here. Peanuts. They like peanuts. Okay, Rosie, sit. Gentle. Yep, Cooper, gentle. Not that gentle. Okay, thanks for coming to visit. Let's go. Not that way. Let's go outside. Good girls, beat it. Get going. Yes, I've been making lots of handrails lately. As you can see, I'm sure. This one is a residential one. It's ready for installation. I think there's 5 pieces. A couple there. One's a gate. Pretty fancy stuff. Keeping me hopping. This here is part of the one I'm working on right now. And it's in interior one. So you can see that. I don't know if you can see this or not. Fuck. I'll show you on this. I'm actually using 3/8 round bar and I'm drilling it right through. So that's all one piece going through there. And drilled it right into the ends here. And you might see it sticking out there, kind of. No big deal. Yeah, it'll give it a nice clean look. And what I'll do is I'll TIG weld a tack on the bottom side of each one of these. And that's what I've done here, and it's maybe hard to see, but there's a tack up there. Fucking terrible lighting in here. Anyway, that's just a weird kind of, see if we can see it, weird kind of angle piece. Those will be horizontal once it goes on. And then these are horizontal here too. Time to weld it up. Wow, I'm a fast welder, hey? I didn't really weld much. That's mostly tacking, but I got a 1/4 inch by 1.25 inch flat bar that'll span the whole top. And then I've got an oak handrail with a 1.25 by 1/4 fillet in it that it'll pop right on there. And put some tabs on the bottom to mount it to the floor. Maybe even some paint. If you like my videos, like. If you like them even more, subscribe. If you don't, then find somebody else to watch. Besse Custom Fab, rock and roll.